Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. So, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make one of my favorite pasta dishes, shrimp scampi. So, shrimp scampi, it's a perfect alternative if you're looking for something light, not so heavy. It's super easy to make, a great weeknight meal plan idea. Mine is probably not the most traditional way, but I really think you'll enjoy it. It's packed with flavor, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so we have about a pound's worth of beautiful shrimp. All we're going to do first is remove the shells and the vein. Okay, to devein the shrimp, it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is at the top half, take a paring knife and just slice across the back. And just extract the vein. This is the digestive tract. We do not want that, so we're just going to get rid of that. Set the shrimp aside. All right, so as you see, we have our shrimp all nicely peeled and deveined. We're just going to set that to the side. All right, so let's address the rest of our prep work. I have two shallots I'm going to roughly chop up, along with about four cloves of garlic. Okay, we'll start by chopping up our shallot. Next, we're going to chop up our garlic. Finally, we're going to chop up some parsley. We want about a half a cup, which is going to be divided. Part of it is going to go into the actual sauce, and the remaining will be used as garnish for the pasta. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to season our shrimp. I'm using a generic all-purpose seasoning, but you can use just salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So just going to go in there and all right, so I think we're all ready. We have everything prepped. We have our shrimp nice and seasoned, and I have a pot of boiling water going on, and I'll be cooking the pasta in that. In the meantime, let's get to searing our shrimp. Okay, we have our skillet up at medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, then we're going to go in with our shrimp. And we're just going to cook them for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes on each side. All right, then we're just going to remove the shrimp, set aside. All right, we have our heat turned back on. We've added some more oil. Now we're going to go in with our shallots and garlic. All right, the next thing we're going to do is go in with the zest of a lemon. We're also going to use the juice of it for now. Next, we're going to go in with about a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and this is totally optional, but if you want a little bit of a heat, uh, go for it. But again, it's totally optional. Next, I'm going in with about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We're then going to go in with a little more of my all-purpose seasoning, or just salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Next, we're going to go in with our parsley, just a little bit of it. And the next thing I'm going to go in, this is probably the more untraditional part, is I'm going in with about a quarter of a cup of capers with the juice or rind, whatever you want to call it. I just feel like capers work really well with scampi. Next, we're going to go in with the juice of our lemon. We're going to go down with a little bit of about maybe a quarter of a cup of our pasta water. We are then going to go down with a cup of dry white wine. And we're going to bring that to a boil. We're then just going to bring it down to a simmer and just let it reduce. Okay, we've let the wine reduce and we've turned off the heat. Now we're just going to go in with a half a stick of butter. We are then going to go in with our pasta. Mix that in. Add back our shrimp. All right, now it's time to plate it up. So we're just going to add the remaining parsley just for a pop of color. And that, my friends, is how you make shrimp scampi. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I will see you next time.